Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and insightful reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of long-lasting lip color with the best Superstay Maybelline lipstick on the market. Get ready for the scoop on Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Longwear No Budge Liquid Lip Color Makeup in the shade Cheeky. First off, let's talk about what makes this lipstick a must-have in your makeup collection. The Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink boasts a highly pigmented formula that delivers rich, vibrant color with an instant glossy shine. What sets this lipstick apart is its impressive staying power. With Maybelline's Color Lock formula, this lip color defies smudging and transfer, giving you up to 16 hours of wear that won't budge. Say goodbye to constant touch-ups. Now, let's talk application. Simply shake the product for at least 5 seconds to activate the formula, then swipe it onto clean, dry lips using the precise flock tip applicator. Let it dry fully for a flawless finish. But wait, there's more. This lipstick isn't just long-lasting, it's also vegan-friendly, formulated without any animal-derived ingredients. So you can feel good about rocking this gorgeous color. Looking to complete your makeup look? Maybelline has you covered. Pair your Superstay Vinyl Ink lipstick with other Maybelline favorites like foundation, mascara, and eyeshadow for a flawless finish from head to toe. And when it's time to call it a day, make cleanup a breeze with Garnier Micellar Water. Simply swipe away your makeup, including this long-lasting lipstick, without any harsh rubbing or irritation. So there you have it, folks. The best Superstay Maybelline lipstick for vibrant color that lasts all day. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a night on the town, this lipstick is sure to turn heads. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.